So now let us see few more examples on the dictionary. Okay, so okay, let us switch over to your so Python. Now what I'll do, I'll just create a one more Python file, dictionary underscore to Python file. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna, now we got to know how we create up a dictionary, right? That is, dictionary is nothing but a collection of unordered or a changeable and indexed. Okay, so can we access items in the dictionary is a question mark now. Yes, we can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside the square brackets. Now for that particular example, let me take your previous example. Okay, I'll just copy paste the same thing and I'll take it up here. Now let me consider I want to access the name of a employee. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a variable x is equals to, and then I'm gonna take a dictionary name, and then not in the parentheses, in the square brackets, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mention a key that is nothing but your name, right? Name, it is in a double quotes. Okay, name, that is in a double quotes. So when I print that, print x, when I run it, so when I run it, we can check there with the help of the key element, I access the name, right? In the same way, I can access your I'll give it as your age, print x. What happens? Let's see that. Okay, in the same way I can access all the elements by specifying your key elements. Okay, and then here I'll give it for your company. So when I print them, just see what happens. It gave me your name, employee name, his age, his salary, and the company is working for. Clear? So that is how we access the items of a dictionary. Okay. Now there is also a method called get method which will give the same result. Okay. For example, let me check it with using a get method. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take up another variable. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'll specify my tuple name, dictionary name, that is nothing but your employee, right? Employee is my tuple name dot get. I'm gonna mention everything. I'm gonna mention this name. I'm gonna mention this name, comma, age, salary, comma, company. Okay, so when I run it, just check that. Sorry, I did not print it out. So print Z. Okay, so when I print that, okay, type get expected at most 2 arguments. Okay, I guess only you can give 2 elements. Let me give it as W is equals to employee dot get. Okay. Print Z, print B. Sorry, W. So when I run it, just check out the. Okay. Yeah. So you have got the name and the age. Yes. So this is how you use your, or else I'll just say it as your. Just a second. Okay. I'll just take it for your name so that it is easy for you to identify. Print Z. When I run it, just check that it gave me only name. When I say salary, when I run it, it gave me only salary. So this is how you use your get method in order to retrieve the data. Okay, so that was about your dictionary, accessing the elements, and with the help of by specifying your index numbers, as well as by using a get method. So one more question is, can you change the values of a dictionary? Yes, you can change the values of a dictionary. So how can you do that? So what I'm going to do that is, I'll use the current code itself, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my employee, right? Employee is my tuple. So employee, in the bracket I'm going to specify which data I want to replace, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it as is equals to 50,000. Okay, all right. Okay, so run. Now I'll just print the tuple, that is, I'll just print the tuple name, that is nothing but your employee, and then run it. Just see, earlier the value was 20,000 and it got updated to 50,000, right? So this is how you update your dictionary values. Okay, now what if I want to print all the keys names in the dictionary one by one? Okay, how we are gonna do that, we shall see many more operations on the dictionary in the upcoming videos. So in the current video we have discussed about Python dictionary. So Python dictionary is nothing but a collection which is on unordered, changeable and indexed, and we have discussed about accessing items with the help of your get method, also by specifying the index number or a key element, and then we have also discussed about changing the values of your dictionary. Okay, and that is nothing but your updation. So in the next video we will be just checking about your loop looping through a dictionary, and check if key exists. So these all things we'll be discussing in the upcoming videos.